Kuliah ni Khubor JINGTIP nam tai Khubor Laitkam Hikai te kidon kumba new Tylli ki post kami kai ki balaj apo skor ki bafer jong kane ka jalam nikalia te gine ki JINGTIP jong gine ngla sim lagi kot Khubor te ki badan ya ka qualification man apply te sa apply dengan pulih kat kum kini kawai pakawai gine ki post ki balaj kene kapan kong application standard form propose of assistant teacher in Pernai RCLP school Lait kabade Lait is Khasihil qualification di belong HSSLC DLED with MTED pass ya MTED la ne BA DLED with MTED kene ka post deficit submit application on or before 17 June 2023 tenam tag JINGTIP pakamne filaban kontak gini nomor Dai sau lai in rulai not our way not way. Sesakan mau ban kontak gini lagi nombor lai. Kabar application standard form for the post of assistant teacher in Pernai RCUP school Lait qualification belong BSc DLED with LP MTED. Lane BEd with LP MTED. Kene kadai ad hoc P. Ketua Kaban kadai deficit kene kadai ad hoc pay the submit application on or before 17 June 2023 contact number Dai Saulai Rulai not our way not way hakaju hi ke school Balai wanted a science teacher at Talang secondary school kene kadai po Amlaram West Jaintia Hill qualification belong BSc preferably BEd date of interview is on 17 June 2023. For more information, sa contact gini nomor Prawewe Kendai Pra Kendai Nreu RR Way. Sakan mau ban kontak itu gini nomor Balsau application in standard form for a post of assistant teacher in Saint Mary's Mazarlo RCUP School Maulingat. Qualification belong BSc DLED with MTED lane BEd with MTED. Food teacher jong ka SSA kane ketika food teacher jong SSA submit application on or before 17 June 2023 contact number Dai Saulai Rulai not our way not way sakawai pat application standard form for post of assistant teacher in Saint Joseph UP school qualification belong BSc DLED with MTED or lane BEd with MTED. Kene kadai ad hoc pay submit application on or before 17 June 2023 contact number Dai Saulai Rulai not our way not way. Jasakan mau gitu contact number sa sim sa kontak lada kidon ka qualification sakawai pat ka post kabadai jong deficit hi post of assistant teacher of upper primary deficit at Christ King Higher Secondary School Riangdo qualification they belong BA DLED lane BA BEd with MTED UP. Last date of application kan long on or before 20 June 2023. Tega date of written test kan long date of written test and interview kan day 22nd June 2023. Venue kan day Christ King High Secondary School Riangdo. Sakawai pat banyau one pre-primary teacher at Panbur RCLP School Mauplang block minimum qualification di class 12 50% 45% for SC/ST nampak gender kay 50% and diploma in nursery teacher education of not less than 2 years. Ang nipday gi pantang pada diploma in nursery teacher education of not less than 2 years. Age limit jogi SC/ST kedai sau post name nampak OBC kedai live popras name salary kedai fix kedai prajar tegiba interest kila ban phai application jong pi kila ban phone gini nomor nai line reu r not ruk nai not lani prasawai sau not pra san not lai last date kan day 27 June 2023 kene gi ong tang ni ka bada diploma in nursery teacher education kita gi bakwa ban apply gini ki post balaj kila ban kontak gitu ki phone number ki dap ai nam ta gi JINGTIP ta gi JINGTIP ki khamnya tagi ni JINGTIP kuliah